We are a student of world classes. We are going to talk about English. When it comes to English, it's a very important to learn this because in other country they will not speak in Hindi. So I want to ask from you how English is important. How can you learn this English?
So, firstly, when it comes to English, it is really important, and we must understand. Also, we learn English because why? Why should I learn English? Because of it. It is an international language.
Yeah.
It is a use to everywhere to talk to another person and talk to foreigner. This is why English is a really important. And also, if you go foreigner country, and if you go on a airport, there is allowance in English. So how can you understand when your flight will come and when not? So for understanding international language, we must learn English.
Yeah.
In my perception.
Yeah, all right. It's a very good thing that you have shared with me. Like if we want to go abroad, so we should learn English, and not only abroad. In India, in Tamil Nadu, if you will go in Tamil Nadu, so they will speak in Tamil language. Yeah.
Tamil language.
So we cannot understand Tamil language because we are from Uttar Pradesh. So Abhishek, I want to know from you how English is important. How can you learn English?
Yeah. Coming to our topic, it is what is the importance of English in our daily life?
Yes.
That is a very good language and also international language to connect to each of the people. So not only abroad but also in India, there is many of the cities just like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. There are many types of languages, and everybody cannot afford to learn every language.
You mean to say if you will go anywhere, so if there is any businessman, so his servant also speak in English, yeah?
Yeah.
You want to say this thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very good thing that you have shared with me. So this is why we are learning English over here, and there are a lot of rule in English, and I want to know from you, what kind of rule strategy you are using to learn English. Maybe you are studying grammar, and maybe you are watching English news. There's a lot of way of learning English, yeah? So which kind of way you use to speak English or learn English?
Yeah, there is many types of many resources to learn English, and it is depend on us. Just if we only talking about to learn English, how to speak, how to write, how to introduce ourselves to anyone.
Yeah.
We should show own self that we are capable to write or not. If we are so incapable, and in the beginning times we can choose any coaching center offline that provides us to improve our English communication. It is provides the basic grammar, because grammar is so important to speak English, how to make the sentences in a proper structured way that makes a complete sense of the meaning.
Of course.
Okay. And second, in the coming days, nowadays, many of the online platforms are available to speak to any person, and that's not available in our past days, but now it is available, and we cannot go, we should not go for the making the friends, for the making the groups. Okay, that is available online, and we can go there to practicing. Without practicing, we cannot become a fluent speaker in English.
Yeah, okay, it's a good that you have shared with us. So you mean to say there's also a lot of platform of learning English, like there's also a platform of there's your app you can use, and you can the way you use your phone and call to another, so you can also use app, and you can call to another, and you could talk in English, yeah. And there's also a lot of app that is free of cost, yeah. So you use, I think, yeah. So I'm coming to my next participant, whose name is Aman. Aman, could you please tell me, you have been learning English here from 2 months, yeah? And back then you came here I was also a student of this institute, and also I am also learning English right now over here. Every now and then we feel that English is very, it's a why we are learning. It's why, what is the need of English? Why we are learning? It's not important. Yeah.
Yeah.
If we interact to a negative person, so they also suggest only a negative thing to us. So I want to know from you. You have completed your 12th from UP board, and after that you have started to speak English, but you are making some grammars. It's okay, but you will improve this, I know.
Yeah.
So I want to know from you, what is the use of English in business, in job. You will do, after this you are, I think, doing your study in engineering. So after completing your engineering, you will go for a job. So is there any use of English in job field? Maybe you will become a supervisor of your company, like that, whatever will be, I don't know. So is there any use of English that you can use?
Of course, learning English, it's a really importance.
Yeah.
Because actually I am doing diploma in mechanical engineering. After complete my engineering, we have to go for a job, and there is a require international language and English. So without English we can't get a good job, a better, because most of the people are speaking English in company. How can we understand? This is why I am learning English, because I think after learning English, it paid high salaries, because we have to mail in company how much product I need. So we can use
it
English
shows our
and
talent or
talents
skills.
and your personality also, and also it's connect English connect us globally, and people all the from country, we can talk to each of others. I think it's really necessary for learning English.
Yes.
We must learn
Yeah,
it.
as we know, we have been learning English over here from back 2 months. So
Yeah.
so we have seen that when I came over here, so there was we were unable to speak English.
Yeah.
But right now we are speaking English. It doesn't matter. We are a friend, so we are making some mistakes, but it will be removed over practicing.
Yeah.
After practicing, yeah.
Yeah.
So this is why we are here and we are practicing, because we are studying in Gold Institute of English Language. This is a very unique platform where our trainer is Dr. Awnindra sir. He has a PhD degree. He has completed his PhD in English. So this is why I can understand that he has a lot of knowledge. And we are living in village. So in village we speak only Bhojpuri language. We don't speak, even we don't speak Hindi. We speak Bhojpuri language. So it is very difficult to speak in English in Bhojpuri if we are living in Bhojpuri environment. So it creates a lot of difficulties to speak.
Yeah.
So but right now I feel like we are speaking very well from back then, and now we are speaking very well.
Yeah.
So this is the thing, and I want to know from you, when you came over here, it was very very difficult to you to learn English, but right now you are speaking English. So I know you have you did a lot of work behind this, but can you please share with me that is there any role of our coach, or only you have learned from yourself, because you have been learning English from back 12 years. You have completed your you completed your 12th. So till 12th I think you may have learned English till 12th, but after that you were unable to speak English. I was also unable to speak English, but when I come here, when we came here, and after joining this institute, after 2 months we are speaking English. So could you please share with me that you did your is there any role of our coach Dr. Awnindra sir, or only we are doing everything?
Of course, learning new things, there is a required teacher who will teach you.
Best trainer.
There is a require a best trainer who will teach you how to use this formula and how to use grammar and how to read. This required. They will suggest you how to speak and how to follow the rule and to speak in English. I think and there is a big role of Dr. Awnindra sir and to become a fluent speaker in English. Whatever I am speaking because of Dr. Awnindra sir, it is a reflect from his and now I am learning day by day new things from him, and he's really a best coach trainer of English language, and he has lots of knowledge about English language because he did PhD in English.
Yeah.
That means doctor in philosophy.
Yes.
So we must learn English, and he's the way he taught in class.
Yeah.
The way he taught in class is amazing because he teaches us in a deeply, and we can prepare for exam. We can use all the knowledge he teaches in English. We can use in government job.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we know when we came here, it was very difficult to speak
Yeah.
English. Yeah, we thought that we will never speak English, but we are speaking English. It means Dr. Awnindra sir has changed our life.
Yeah.
So that we can say that whatever Awnindra sir taught us was very amazing, and right now whatever he is teaching us, it's a very amazing and very unique from another institute. Yeah?
Yeah.
So this is why we are speaking in English, and hope we will speak in English in better version. Yeah?
Yeah.
In the beginning, it's a very difficult to it's a very difficult to speak in English. So we have completed our at least 50% work.
Yeah.
Now we have to work on 50% work. So we will do this, and hope if Awnindra sir will teach us continuously at least 2 or 3 months, so we will be we will speak very better.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So this was very we have talked about English, how English is important, how it can be learned, and where it can be used. Yeah. So it is a very nice thing that we have discussed, because we have come over here to learn English. If we don't know what is the important and what is the necessity of English language, so how can I learn English? Yeah. So firstly, we have to we know that English is important. We can go abroad, and so there's a lot of things. And right now we are speaking English. So hope we will speak English very better. Yeah, in upcoming days, because we are doing a hard work.
Yeah.
Yeah, and not only we are doing hard work, but also we have a good trainer.
Good trainer, of course.
Yeah. Because the way we are going, we don't know which is the right path.
Yeah.
But if there is a trainer who is suggesting us that this path is better for you, so please move on this path, please walk on that path. So this is the better thing.
Yeah, of course.
So this is why we can say it is very important to us to learn English. If you are looking my video, so please like this video for us. We are a student. We have been learning English back 2 months, not 2 days. So please give a like and subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching this video, and thank you for giving your time and attention.